Hi, President Daniels. I would just like to know what the 10 by 20 initiative, what special programs that you are developing to specifically enhance and enrich Johns Hopkins' relationship and ties with the community.
Hey, Amali, I love that question, and that really hits the sweet spot of something that I and indeed so many other people at Johns Hopkins have been working so vigorously on for the last several years. There's a number of ways in which we have sought to increase our impact on the community of which we're part. The first and most obvious one is the East Baltimore Development Initiative, where we're working to rejuvenate that community that surrounds the north of the medical campus. And perhaps the most notable way in which we've had immediate impact there has been in the creation of the Henderson Hopkins School, which we played a significant role in funding, and now, of course, are very lucky to have our School of Education be the operator of that K-8 school and early childhood education program. That's a wonderful place in which it's happening. We're also working really hard with the neighborhood associations around the Homewood campus and have been very active with the 10 neighborhood organizations in supporting the Homewood Community Partnership Initiative. And that's bringing new life, new support for our public schools that are located in the Homewood area. It's bringing efforts at dealing with vacant properties, of encouraging people to do retail development. In all these ways, we're strengthening the community around us. But we're also encouraging our faculty and our staff to live closer to campus through our Live Near Your Work program. And that's another way in which we believe that we can strengthen the communities around us. And then, of course, there is the work that we're doing in the Station North district, and the fact that we, along with MICA and the Maryland Film Festival, are playing a significant role in rejuvenating that neighborhood and bringing new activity to the Station North corridor. And that's going to really focus on our film and media studies program, which is going to move down to a premises at Charles Street and North Avenue. And then finally, there is the fact that our undergraduate students are going in droves. And indeed, it's not only our undergraduate students, but students from across our campuses are going in droves to do community service. It starts with the President's Day of Service, but it continues on from there. This past year, we calculate that more than 185,000 hours of student activity was offered to the various community groups, not-for-profit organizations in the city of Baltimore, and that's a very meaningful way in which we can impact the trajectory of our city. So in short, it's been a really important area of activity, and we're proud of what we have accomplished and looking forward to doing even more in this dimension.